New to the Pelican range is the Pelican 3310, or the 3410 and the 3415. So the 3410 non-intrinsically safe, 3415 intrinsically safe. The 3415 and 3410 have identical features in terms of having an articulated head, so you can go from a straight torch to a right angle torch, large switch on the side with multiple light output modes, so you can cycle through high, medium and low. You can also cycle through spot, flood and back to dual light output. Runs on 3 AA's. As I mentioned, the 3415 is intrinsically safe. The 3410 is a standard non-intrinsically safe torch. Its output is actually at 633 lumen, where the intrinsically safe unit is 336 lumen. The other good feature in this torch range is that they have a magnet fitted to the back. So if, for instance, you're involved in a motor vehicle accident where you need to work under the bonnet of the car to disengage the battery system or similar, rather than trying to keep it in a constant position on your jacket, quite simply underneath the bonnet, you can then clip it up under the bonnet and work hands-free while the torch sits there lighting up the engine bay or a similar area.